The BJP doing what it does, getting a youth leader of 45 years. आपका youth leader तो 95 not out है, with losses not victories.
Navika, let me address the issue with which you started the conversation. I'm hearing the name of this gentleman who's suddenly emerged minister in the BJP government in Bihar as their working president. What happened to this inner party democracy? Where is the election? And he's a working president. Is he effectively the president at all? Or he's going to be a puppet in the hands of Mr. Shah and Mr. Modi? So there is no democracy within the BJP. Let us be absolutely categorically clear. It never was. It was always a wild figment of our imagination. And now it's out in the open. It's completely out in the open. Where is the election? Where is the contest within the BJP? Even JP Nadda had no election whatsoever. As far
Your
as the
party
mandate-
democracy, Sanjay, just speaks volumes. The Orissa former MLA, Mohammad Mukim, who yesterday raised questions against Rahul Gandhi, said he had been waiting for 3 years to get an appointment, wrote a letter to Sonia Gandhi, was expelled today. And you're talking about democracy. Sudhanshu Trivedi, irony, died 1,000 deaths.
I have several times said it before that the BJP is having a true democracy. That's why. If I ask you a question, who will be the president of BJP at the end of Amrit Kal in 2047? I challenge, nobody can say. But in Congress party, it can be said with authority. Either it will be from the Gandhi family or the command will be from the Gandhi family. Like Kharge ji is senior to the almost to the age of Rajiv Gandhi ji. But what he says, even about his own state chief ministership, high command will take a decision. So who is puppet, sir? When you are in opposition, the president of the party is the highest post. When you are in the power, prime minister is the highest post. And Kharge is having two positions, leader of the opposition and the president. And second thing, sir, you remember when Kharge ji has happened, election hua tha kya? Shashi Tharoor, then 6th September 2022. 22 leaders have written a letter to Madhusudan Mistry, your electoral officer. At least give us the list. Hey bhai, wo vote chori ki list, voters list, which has come from 28 PCCs. So that we should know that who is having power to vote. Saab gayab. दिया ही नहीं गया लिस्ट. मशीन रीडेबल लिस्ट की बात कह रहे हैं, यहां तो अनरीडेबल लिस्ट. एंड खड़गे जी वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड. क्या साहब, खुद मियां फजीयत और दूसरों को नसीहत. अब लास्ट में मैं एक और बात भी पूछना चाहता हूं. एज फॉर एज बीजेपी इज कंसर्न, वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट्स इन द लास्ट 30-35 ईयर्स. सोनिया जी टुक ओवर इन 1998. उस समय हमारे यहां प्रेसिडेंट कौन थे? अडवाणी जी. देन बिकेम कुशाभाऊ ठाकरे जी. देन बिकेम बंगारू लक्ष्मण जी, जेना कृष्णमूर्ति, बंगारू लक्ष्मण, वेंकैया नायडू जी. Then became Advani ji again, then Rajnath Singh ji, then Nitin Gadkari ji, then Amit Shah ji. After that, Nadda ji. Now Nitin Naveen. Sir, इस पूरे दौर में most of the time, with an exception of Kharge ji, which is just high command के नीचे हैं, low command हैं, वो भी मोदी जी ना होते तो
कल की रैली में उनका नाम अनाउंस कर दिया क्या? लेकिन उनको पीछे हटा के राहुल गांधी आगे चले गए. So much respect, so much democracy, Sanjay Jha, really?
Navika, listen, those things happen when you are actually having a public program.
Oh, yes?
I've been part of it. Somebody's name gets
To your party president.
announced out of turn.
They don't happen.
No big deal
They
at all.
happen to your party president,
no
Kharge
big
ji.
deal
They
at
don't
all.
happen to the Gandhi Parivar. I'm sorry, Anand Ranganathan, please correct me if I'm wrong. Has it ever happened to a Gandhi before कि उनको हटा के कोई और आगे आ गया हो?
Oh, that can be nothing but a normal procedure.
Oh yeah?
It's no
Really?
big deal.
Really?
Yeah,
Anand
I'm telling you
Ranganathan?
with absolute confidence.
How very wide-eyed,
I mean,
innocent.
Rahul is not going to seize the opportunity.
Sanjay, please, you never used to do this.
Big deal.
You never used to do this, Sanjay. Please don't do that. You never interrupted me.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. No, look, three things out here. Number one, can we please not talk about inner party democracy as far as Congress is concerned? Yes, all right, you may have a few, basically, misunderstandings on the podium. I accept Sanjay's point of view. But will Sanjay accept that during the aftermath of the Manipur debate, Congress MLA was sacked in Rajasthan because he said हमें अपने गरीबान में भी झांक के देखना चाहिए हम औरतों पे क्या अत्याचार हो रहा है हमारे राज्य में. Would Sanjay accept that in Karnataka when a sitting cabinet minister of Congress disputed the claims of Rahul Gandhi on vote chori, what did Rahul Gandhi say? Don't suspend him, sack him. And what happened after 24 hours? The guy was sacked. There are dozens of such instances. So there is no inner party democracy.
Why,
Sanjay,
what,
you know.